All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. We're gonna get back to some more side-by-side content. As you can see behind me, I can get this thing to cooperate. We got that machine back there. We're gonna put the turbo kit on that other machine back there, swap engines, give him the Rowdy turbo kit. I'm gonna take the MPI kit and either just run that or actually put this one back to stock. Oh, say hi, Paul. Focus, there we go, okay. So put this one back to stock, maybe make like a mountain adventure type of rig out of it, or something. So that's still yet to be determined what exactly we're gonna do there. But Jason's getting the big turbo kit. You can see all the fancy stuff there. All right, and then we'll go look at Jason's rig here. He did long travel. He's got the MPI kit. You can see the Hess header. You can see it a little better. I had my ISO in manual. So there's the Hess header MPI kit that is either gonna go on mine or not. I still gotta figure it out. I probably will. I'll probably just run it on low boost. Still have fun with it, but try to get it reliable. I've already got the radiator and stuff like him. There's the Hess radiator. Same thing mine has. So he actually has the Weller long travel on his. So he's good to go for the dunes. Got a big wide stance, got the spring set up. So, all right. Hope you guys enjoyed that CNC video, and I will get more side-by-side content stat.